Hey traders, have you ever thought about how Jesus' teachings could help you in trading? It might sound strange, but the ideas of balance and wisdom he gave us can be very helpful in our daily challenges with trading. Trading is fast and full of numbers and decisions, but Jesus' wisdom is old and about spiritual things. Even so, his lessons can still guide us today, even in trading. Spiritual wisdom in trading. What does it mean? First, we need to understand that God is not in the charts or the numbers. He is in us. When we pray for the market to change in our favor, it might feel like we are asking God to help us win money. But that is not the real answer. God does not change the market or control the numbers. Instead, he gives us something much better: wisdom. He helps us make good decisions with peace in our hearts, no matter if we win or lose. Many traders know the feeling of the ups and downs of the market. One day, we are happy because we made a lot of money. But the next day, we are stressed because the market went down. Success is not only about winning or losing. True success is in our strategy and learning. It's about the time we spend improving ourselves, not just as traders, but as people. The real win comes when we control our emotions and stay peaceful in our decisions. Personal growth reflects in your trading. It's important to remember that trading is not only about making money, it's also about your personal growth. The market shows you a mirror. It reflects how well you stay disciplined and how you deal with both winning and losing. As you grow as a person, learning to bring your spiritual beliefs into your daily life, you will see a positive change in your trading. It's not about how many prayers you say, but how you learn and stay focused. In this journey, we will see how biblical teachings can help us find balance and peace, even in trading. Matthew 6:24.
No one can serve two masters. Either you will hate the one and love the other, or you will be devoted to the one and despise the other. You cannot serve both God and money.
Trading and the challenge of serving two masters. You cannot serve two masters. These words from Jesus ask us to think about an important truth: we cannot divide our heart between God and money. In trading, where profits come fast and there is always information to follow, this teaching is even more important. If we don't have the right mindset, trading can take over our lives. The market is always open and there are many opportunities. It's easy to think that money is the most important thing. But Jesus tells us that money is a tool, not a goal. It can give us financial success, but if we're not careful, the need for more money can take over our mind. This can lead to stress, worry, and bad decisions. Jesus wants us to focus on what lasts forever and not let the desire for money replace the things that matter: our relationship with God and the values we live by. It's easy to feel excited when we make quick profits, but the real test is how we stay balanced. How do we make sure that the need for more money does not hurt our spiritual and emotional health? Jesus teaches us to stay aware of this and remember that true wealth is in our hearts, not just in our bank accounts. A healthy approach to trading: balance and purpose. In the fast world of trading, it's tempting to always try to make quick profits, but Jesus' teachings show us a better way. The verse from Matthew warns us about becoming a slave to money. But what does this mean for traders? It means that if we let the search for more money take over our lives, we can lose our sense of purpose. We may start making decisions out of fear or greed. Fear is a strong emotion for many traders. There is fear of missing out on a good trade, fear of losing money, or fear of not having enough. All these fears can affect how we think and make decisions. But Jesus tells us to seek wisdom and peace, which helps us deal with these fears. A trader who follows these higher ideas can approach the market with a calm mind. They know that their value is not in their money, but in their honesty and wisdom. Imagine trading with peace in your heart instead of stress. Your decisions will be clearer, and you won't chase after the market. You will respond thoughtfully with a long-term plan. You understand that losses are part of the game, but they don't change who you are. This is what it means to trade with purpose. Your goal is not just financial success, but personal growth and helping others, while also deepening your faith. The importance of balance in life and trading. When money becomes the most important thing in our lives, we can easily lose balance. Trading is a great way to make money, but it should not become the center of our lives. It is important to make good financial decisions, but not at the cost of your health, family, and spiritual life. One of the biggest lessons from Jesus is the value of balance. Jesus lived a life full of purpose. He served others, but he also took time to rest and pray. As traders, we also need to make time for the important things: our family, health, and spiritual growth. With this balance, we can approach trading with a clear mind and peaceful heart. This helps us make decisions that match our values. Balance is not just about how you spend your time. It's also about how you think. When we see money as a tool and not the goal, we make better financial choices. We are not driven by fear or anxiety, and we make decisions that match our bigger purpose. True success is managing your investments in a way that helps your whole life, making sure that trading adds value to your life and does not take away from it. Purpose, the true driver of your success. As we learn more from Jesus' teachings, it becomes clear that every trader needs a strong purpose in life. If your only goal is to make money, you will feel empty at some point. The losses and stress will be too much. Money alone cannot fill the emptiness inside. But if your purpose goes beyond money, if you use the money you make to help others, support your family, or give back to your community, then your work as a trader will have a deeper meaning. This is where true success comes from. When your financial success is connected to a higher purpose, each win means more. Think about how you can use your success in trading to help others. Maybe you can support your family, give to your community, or teach others how to trade. When you trade with a purpose beyond personal gain, you become stronger, and losses don't bother you as much. Your successes will feel more fulfilling. Purpose is not always about doing something big. It can be as simple as being honest in all your trades or deciding to give your time and money to those who need it. When success is measured by the good you do, every gain, big or small, becomes more meaningful. Trusting in God's plan for your life as a trader. One of the most freeing ideas we can learn as traders is that we are not in control of everything. The markets are unpredictable, and even the best strategies can fail. But this uncertainty makes trading a great spiritual lesson. It teaches us to trust in something bigger than ourselves, God's plan. Trading can humble us. Sometimes we think we understand everything, but then our portfolio drops. In those moments, it's easy to feel frustrated, worried, or even angry. But what if we saw those moments as chances to grow in trust? What if, instead of focusing on what we cannot control, we focused on what we can, like our attitude, our honesty, and our faith? Trusting in God does not mean we stop planning or ignore our work. It means we approach the markets with peace, knowing that our value is not tied to whether we win or lose in trading. We do our best, stay disciplined, and leave the rest to God. Finding true balance in trading. In the end, Matthew 6:24 teaches us a strong lesson. We cannot serve both God and money. As traders, this means we need to avoid becoming obsessed with making money. Instead, we should find a balance between our financial goals and our spiritual values. Remember, money is only a tool, not the final goal. When we think this way, trading stops feeling like a struggle for more, and instead, it becomes a way to reach bigger, more important goals. True success comes when our financial choices match our values, and we find well-being in all parts of life. Final reflection. I hope today's message has helped you think about the balance we need, not just in trading, but in life. It's not just about making money, but also about growing personally and spiritually. Trading is more than numbers and profits. It's a reflection of who we are and the values we hold. What do you think about today's message? How do you balance your money and spiritual values? Do you have any questions or experiences to share?
Why do 80% of traders fail? Maybe it's time to look for answers in the Bible. In Matthew chapter 21, verse 12, Jesus threw the money changers out of the temple. His message? The problem isn't trading itself, but greed. In trading, just like in the temple, ethics matter. Carry out your trades with integrity, not with greed, and remember, spiritual well-being is above material wealth. Keep your trading spaces like a sacred place. Stay grounded, be ethical, and let your trades reflect your values.